when each offered a sacrifice. We talked about the sacrifice.
Yes.
When you submit, when you give anything for the pleasure of Allah, let it be your uh, guinea pig. Do you have a guinea pig?
No. No.
Gullak, in Urdu we say galla galla, where the kids they keep their money. So the in Syria and in Turkey, there was a very huge and very severe kind of earthquake. Urwa, you know that?
Yes.
Almost 7 or 8 days ago, a very huge earthquake hit that cities, and many kids and many baby girls and their parents, many of them died. Many of them are crying, struggling due to the cold weather, due to you know not finding any food. They are thirsty, they are hungry. So for such people, we should give a portion out of our foods. So this is kind of sacrifice. Okay, Urva,
Yes.
there is a certain sacrifice day in Islam. Can you tell what day is that?
What?
When there is a certain particular day once in a year, there is an occasion when people they must sacrifice. Can you tell me what day is that?
Eid.
Shabash. That's the Eid day. Okay. And it says they sacrificed for whom?
Allah.
For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They offered as sacrifice to Allah. Jibril,
Yes.
can we offer sacrifice to someone else other than Allah?
No.
If someone says, well, this is my goat or my sheep, and I am giving it as a sacrifice to blah blah blah, he mentions the names, sacrifice to any saint or any. So will they remain a Muslim?
No.
No, because this sacrifice is a worship. Sacrifice is what?
Worship. I worship.
A worship, and there is no one deserving to be worshipped except then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Only Allah is the one who have this
No.
status and who has this distinguishing status quality that he only can be worshipped. So sacrifice always to whom? To
Allah.
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 Okay. What do you think, Urwa?
Yes.
When you make dua, when you ask for food, when you ask for new clothes, or you might ask in your prayer, oh Allah, grant my mother or my father shifa. What do you think? This dua supplication, is it
What?
a dua a worship or not?
What?
Is the dua which we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is it a worship or not?
It is a worship.
Dua is a worship. Or what do you think?
Yes. It is a worship. Yes.
Dua is a worship. Yes, you are right. Dua is a worship. And we are not allowed to perform worship, but only to whom?
To Allah.
To Allah. Okay? So if someone goes and tells you that uh, if you are sick and you need to be cured, you must visit such a such mountain, or you must go somewhere, and then there is a tree or there is a river or something, or someone is there, and you go and you ask them to cure your disease. This is wrong, okay? Because dua is a worship, and worship is only for whom?
Allah.
For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Urwa, are you getting the points?
Yes.
Okay, shabash. So these were few very important things that we discussed today. Okay, we learned that what is Jews. We learned the four names of the books, and we learned their reference to the Anbiya alayhim salam. And we learned that every worship, act of worship, is only due to Allah. Okay, we cannot submit any act of worship in front of someone else or in the name of someone else. Allah is the only deserving deity to be worshipped.
Yes.
And that's the meaning of second kalima. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh. That's the
rasuluh.
meaning of this kalima. Okay, guys, so this was for today's class, and I'm very happy that you, mashallah, learn the things and you take your interest, you show your interest, and must call your parents with the respecting and honoring words. Okay? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.